Yene ye lawyer Maurice Sampao, ye nin komonfa eye sensemi ho. Law and another pay ye moache e de beni 100.9 so.
Many are making so much what you for the anopin.
Et you for you so na pomu to say.
I don't be now do me the Pumia pa.
Ye de Yankopon ase. Enne wo behwe na posini e boro timamuni. Obehwe na timamuni ana beti ketiketi ono so boro eye posini. Se no ama na akosoa mfie bebre ntamunie ababesi sabere law. Kwan ben so na ye befa ye betimi amanage se no ama we.
I think say in the first place no police follow serious duty and a more serious work to be done because respect we any obu yen demand or command it. In the first place no person will boo you respect to police force state authority ni kramo state member authority to maintain law and order to enforce discipline and prevention of crime and others. And what you need to do is to brand yourself very well. The police service should brand itself very well. The values, ethics. I saw we are very sure say, conduct ourselves very well, being professional, service with integrity, honesty, discipline. And we don't want to see police officers taking money on the street, bribe. Once they do see this, police officers and no pure a petition. Who police officer pa bi wa oben wa de no bon we share the body no to so come so de no the uniform no and ko ye o ti ase we share so police for mo conditions they be amoda any the way e bi mo conduct mo ho e bi mo do mo awura kono bomu extortion we say e bi mo titi ma ya wo mboja traba tutufu a no mo da o call out who police for take sport almost to will champion be e bi mo shiwi e be things until now for ya na me say mo you know some of the officers are get themselves involved into the police for no am brand no in koye into the amount respect for any the kind of authority state amano o ma compromise ayebe the man for no kuni but the danger and then they say the man for also should be very very careful because you see here to be boy mobile state man authority your man what it takes and no individual have the capacity to handle criminals. It is say you're very careful. Then you see the man for say oh police follow omo police follow omo give bribe police follow omo nye professional police follow omo buya bia. My God, the one who suffers is not the police. The one who suffers is the ordinary Ghanaian. Because that's us now. If the police said say one day omo strike, nobody can handle the situation. But the way armed robbers be twice saying, the many people be twice saying, even the policemen is required. Yes, we are still feeling insecure. And we should be very careful there. The police people can no more lose or more respect a cry, and no more make a cry, and no question as that. Yet, my follow, yet some of Pino, yet some will say, you need a be, yet your police for the say, you're law abiding, yet you're very cautious in even in condemning. Even I don't like them. The way at times started is follow, and media fully be any other Ghanaians, the way they are insulting, attacking, and mocking the police. You see, when you weaken the police, now criminals become more. And then those who are strong and those who can act in impunity and want to, then they'll be happy. Oh, police work and they got there. That is where will be police the boss. That's where you can see attack on the police. And when I see those things, I get frightened. Because the moment I almost people are ready to take them on. Then armed robbers, criminals, macho people, vigilantes, almost more. And the moment we allow people to now attack the police, then the vulnerable in society will suffer. Ultimately, there are two ways. Once the police has a lot of work to do, we should also make sure that we don't run them down totally. That is why we were here. I was was not happy the way it was handled at all. Because one, Amano issue the buy, we all realized that it was a serious issue because the show video no Burona air kosono, but did we give Amano fair hearing? No. What we did was that you so you condemn it. People are trying. People once I just video they just condemn Amano. Amano was quickly arraigned before court. In fact, he was detained within the shortest possible time. We are charging him, no court. President of the Republic of Ghana, IDP Munia came out to criticize the matter, condemn him that he should be dealt with, he should be jailed. People call for his head. That time, now, yes, the media follow when they were from the Maya, they are the offer of Banaba and Albano can story that. Only you crucify Amano. And at the end of the day, we wanted Amano not only to be jailed, but even young Pamela. Meanwhile, nobody has heard the side of the story. So what happened was that me a little bit survey. I mean, me touch to about the police. You see, when the police people gathered, they say, "Yang, you who say, obi this money, you be me the police officer. I'm no bank try no be obi. I don't be react me go intervene because me go yeah, let me ask them. So we end up demoralizing the police, and then we pay the price for it. And you're very careful. Yes, Amano case, what has happened? Amano has gone through a lot of pain, whether I like it or not. But the condemnation was huge, number one. Number two, there was no delay. In fact, he was hauled before the court. And then he was even detained several times by the court. Oh, yes, now, he was facing trial. Meanwhile, the woman involved was getting all the sympathies. And then my police the bone. Yes, shower gift. The hypocrisy of some people in this country. Now, yes, shall remember the same time. Remember the that we were almost a lie. MP4. Yeah, my donation. I said, my family die. Mr. Lance, because your mama died now. Hey, that's a sumo party, that papa, dear. And a sumo, I'm gonna go. Therefore, line up. You see, now I was in court. Because you bill my mano. Then I got the granty bill. No. Then I look at the whole issue. Let me say, God, Mamino, this I can open. Oh, yes, because I know, on only so the no, yeah, Ghana for Potetino, an angel. Am I said the winner? And I was surprised, and the lawyer, Samson Virginia, came out to say, and the police on meanwhile, Samson, as a lawyer, you did not go to the police, the court one day, even to all the watching briefs, to see, say, justice in that exam. What case, no, you have no court, no, every day, the court to be a complainant in your lawyer be in your, or they are for so many months. What did I say? I'm going to get a free. SIT be said, Mr. Prosecution said, what is happening in the case? Several times. That's what the judgment wanted to say. Next adjourn date. So, the people in China, that will be the end of the case. Where was Samson? He was there. The issue of nobody showing interest that came to the media. He is a media person. Then today he came out. I caught that at the study, Amanoa. Not always say, and the police were biased, and the police they didn't treat your client well. You see the hypocrisy of some of our people. That is the situation. In the media, let's call it a balance. The police are losing it. The police have issues. The police have credibility issues. But that doesn't give us the license to also take advantage and say that then we will also run them down and deal with them. Deal with the police and your security will be at risk. I'm telling you. Opa! My phone here decided to say, you put police in Pion. Mom get a penny and say, police in the guy, now police relax. You attack you. I'm not going to attack you. Contract killers both here. Never there, much of people about so never the Obibo Chrono. Now we are criminal matter. You run to who? You don't have anywhere to go. That is the balance that the president must say. Well, we are not happy with the police. Hello?
Mebacho Yetio.
Once we are not happy with the police, once we are saying that the standards are falling, once we are saying that there's some level of indiscipline, once we are saying, say, police follow have to up their game, no. It doesn't give the license to the civilian to also take the law into their own hands and start attacking and abusing the police.
Okay.
Because I only to your benefit. At the end of the day, who suffers? If the police is demoralized, the police attacking so much. If the police power and authority is reduced, the ordinary Ghanaian, me and you, who don't have what it takes to protect ourselves, to secure security, yeah, they suffer. That is my view.
Lawyer, said that we are na in the case of Frederick Amano die video eba bonten ye nyina ye hu brutality sa na Frederick Amano ode egu ye maami so bura na oboro patience osafo enti yanhwe mmeremu no fa ye wura mmerenimu mmerenimu no na sa video no sempo patience osafo na ma court sa video no entimi enya evidence akwaduboni no betimi de akire court ma asotwe bi wo ho a ye betimi de ya manipa ye hu no so ogina video no mo rather than say said ya wo ka no die kokko bisa eye efa ba ko no de ono no ye yansa
Minia, you see court court yenye propaganda wo and a court and then ya ewo social media no di asemu court o judge no onya part of the propaganda ye judge ni journalist judge no presume said the court ko onim because every get bia and say you can look at what is happening social media radio so video so na ka say my formal opinion. No, that is why judge is crowd comment on matter. The moment a judge will comment on matter, no, you can't sit on that matter. We not here now. Judge Ritiho, I say the evidence no better no. Now, nyamu social media no, I go quarter and never test how. Because one, I say a friend say video no, the original source way, original kata, and what? You endorse no ye, and now you editing ye. Two, video now as it's playing no, it speaks of one side. Amano have to also explain why a video no, but try and I do try and what was the motive for the person trying no, and the other try no, try half an hour. Because I can tell you, said the other video no say senior. It will start from when the whole thing began. A bit time my man by said a man more than me. No, ya no start to say open mameno. A bit starts from pre-communication. What happened? The video didn't happen. It is the court will not only rely on that video, the court will also want to find out from a man the misconduct. No? And then that video no any man will be subject to cause examination. It is a more that video. Now more court. Now video no say young one name now so that's how the court works. That is how the court works. That video can be challenged. That video can be rejected by the court about admissibility, about authenticity, about the genuineness, about the credibility. So many issues can raise on the video. If the raw video echo out, now see court also. Now, obviously, Mamina, I didn't find one I want bring on my court. It is a position that video. No, now I'm not a my lord, and you will be doing a mamma away. Oh, make it now. Now, I'm beside the video. Look at your no, I know your summer. You have to send this video now, you know, and then I'm not too have to speak the video. Then your child video, you have to say, who child video, no, time Ben, I watch this video. Before the video, not the Ben, this issue will be interrogated. Another video, who tried one sided, who tried baby Amano, Yamano Bona, what about baby Amano so misbehaved? What about the baby Amano so ADD police not them, and who recorded one recording? That's the interrogation. Nobody behave the way Amano behaves, he has not been provoked. The people are here. It's the court will interrogate all those things. And you can't say that because of video. And you know, there's interest now. Young Bobby no Ramano blah blah blah. One video. Cop 20 years. And they open the media try. Media said there's no rules. And I'll tell you okay. Oh, there's no rules. The rules should be uncontrolled. It will be a video net on our condemn it. It it will subject the video to street proof. There will be interrogation. There will be cross-examination. That is the issue. So if you don't avail yourself, the court is handicapped. When there's no interested. Now that case, you can Mamma no one back
na ayana the state versus in this instance no Frederick Amono anase Frederick Amono versus Patience Osafo.
Normally the Republic.
The Republic, yes.
But you see, I was expecting when I say the lawyer no. So case any only criminal angle, there was several angles. What is here? Boy, you're both criminal and then civil wrong. Meaning, the police for crown and you would be over to position. Mamma has already been compensated. The lawyer could negotiate for out of court compensation. Of frère, Amano call for a frère, we say, million for call for, no, see, okay, I'm over my Mama and court. It is that a civil, this was admitted. That is why Finland, that is over Mamano, about more than 50,000 Ghana cities and a house. And you want this remedy in area, then be and I'm going to say Mamano or negotiation.
Lawyer Maurice Ampao, lawyer Pana Menene Casano pay.
Lawyer Ampao, Namuna Casano, Nakaina. Hello.
Eti obi betimi akwa di bone na yakasa ya compensating inti bone no eno ano no ankoko to kra nyetwe after all when you compensation
media what is the identity of court what is the release
ye court say bone na nipa ni di ye na sotwe bi beba na saa sotwe no etimi ye broni beka say deterrent etimi aye lesson ediama ofoforo edi suro bi ediaba ofoforo na o ma kwankwa ye saa die ni bi
yo mama chobi currently no the case there was so many angles. So currently the position of the court and the law and the sentencing policy is say avoid the custodial sentence as much as possible. What did I make for that? Please inside your man. It is a OB. You better not find OB and not come. What is the benefit of jailing Amano? I say, Yako the assembly, Amano condemned 20 years. Mamma in Yakaple. No, the Niana, or the call you to 200 Ghana, or the coffee. What is the benefit of that to the woman? Amano is sentenced 10 years. Now, Obana didn't hear coffee. Meanwhile, Obana could negotiate on a civil grounds, and not dying, and not capital. In one tono. They say, why are you from France? I mean, now put you out to talk. Every two, they are going to pay. I'm not your punishing. Punishment is not a free condemnation. Civil and condemnation. Only what do you know what I'm went through? To be affecting a one day, they're affecting him. It's on social media forever. The image is echo forever. Two, they deny the salary, half interdiction for so many months. Three, they're dragging it to court. They're detaining for so many months. Four, they deny them. They did their court and Janik, deny them. Lastly, we'll go back, affecting the promotion. And affecting so I'm not going to need this psychiatric help. I say the man counselor. It should be cancelled. To be near boy, your friend with your mobile. I know mobile.
Lawyer Maurice Ampao, as Obi Yawadie, Nasa or Shawa Bufu said, I will kind and say a bufu etimo be ye bibi. Eti Obi Yawadie, no Shawa Bufu, and Marayanim say Marawaho. Na wofa opa mrano ho. Na wo de mrane sha wonsem na wo ye de awope na papa na sum just because e dipa na che obufu a. Lawyer say the sat na o man mu a eye.
Enti na ya twi na so no. Amana so obi ambon se ba malo. So obi a kasa amona oyade. Everybody, including the president, everybody condemned the man. The boy, even the IGP. Before EB was heard, no, they are Buduku for. Now, he went through the process. So, and I say, I'm on he went through the process. The first step was he was interdicted. It's punishment. The second step that he was out before the court. And before they went to the court to carry, they had detained the police. They had detained him for about 2 weeks. And then the court detained him for about 3 months. Who got detention for 1 day? I wouldn't say anything. The case, no, he was going to court for about 8 months. Obiama. Money baby. Mammy, Mammy, so when I know Poto. Minia, near Mammy, the person of the tutor. Woman, probably better to that. Woman, choir. Mammy, met you, oh, yeah.
Win him, do yeah.
Yes.
Mine a boy, man, yeah.
And then my clients, Amano. So, Mutieno. Mutieno, or no catch me, dear, see, and there are witnesses. I said that there are witnesses. We were ready to also tender those witnesses in court.
What clients are man? Someone on a catcher one would to me finding out who say no catcher.
Yes, because near video no your marketing managers. The video I don't know your marketing managers. And you also you're interrogating finding out say what actually happened. And there were witnesses. Mamino, there were 2. Mamino, me 2. Mami 2 no what point back no. Nipe 2 no so won ko. Sa mamino so your witness. Mamino, me 2. Only mami way. 2 no more. Now police officer what point the juma oko. Now back to fair no distress call. Said there are 2 customers who have decided that they will not leave and they are about to cause commotion. But Mr. Bra never helped the situation. Now, me blame me a man on that so but for the passion for the work, or the motorbike, or down in the motorbike, no buy over do her. And Pam, Mammy, me know at you. If he said it's right to use persuasion or call first woman or but your bank appointment and come to my connect in my back. Almost 2 said, no, you don't call. You need a sikaya, you better. Also, Mama, you need a sense of the woman call or tremendous. No. It is the first woman. A man was able to convince the woman, say, Mama, wouldn't be call now or tell of only first service. I will even talk to management, say, what up there? And the overall scam when you family say, hey, police, who know what can. It will be tell us some so, or tell me back. No, my name is the car. Men call, or say, yes. Meanwhile, I pam. And I'm going to find it back. I don't pay it. Neka mami we ya mami na mu yi na ye neka no kura na mo no ba ne so mama pacho mesrewo bomodia na kona no ka so unfi menu so a wenfi menu so no chimie ana mu chimie unim sika da kwa na wa sort of police of the first na police of say oh mother pie o se bi pie police officer dey na do so okoje ne ba no na ka oje ne ba na oda kwani pia mamire pie na ka otupu no oko so kwani mano mamina so ne sana wakadao no wakano e je wakabi wa e ka wakuma one mamire didi watem mamire show stubborn na wakawo ding na mamire ka no pen or no then me the force reasonable force but two if you e just so mamire mu no say o chenu no na mamina so na ni tuo no danenim ni tuo no ga no danenim na mamina so ga no mu me ko no the girl no pim na kuma and you know when you say that girl that you want now oba ya china no so ga no mu now girl no string it a police officer na kuma Jesus Christ na mamina police officer no struggle and who when say senior it oh you senior na mu no you use the senior to disarm the woman who crack and no purpose of the also say why shall I no crack because of Kwakwala. That is where if the senior no bano banana marketing officer and yes all recorded. The man lost control. This is the woman what there this is the woman what cow this is the woman already see minimum arrest. This is the woman only two police officer I told you to trigger out Kwakwala. Mupisa mano, when pisa. Now, is the remedy. Shall bank it to car. Mucham law questions as the bank it to car. Yakodaho, and I yanko. no bisa we mu ya we bisa na ma me no de koye interrogation ni area on needs to baba ko I tell you ni area o ti no on ko be bla yaka o ye that type insulting type rude woman then there's how information in here
lawyer what amano ya wo client intina ama okasa na esa na
baby o watch na before na amano nya me client to
I mean I say no your client later
na me because no problem no man na ye me see the way public no ye no na ye you could the president mun ya be attack ICP ko ICP o ya father papa o ye da papa o ye da papa na o be pie na asema tona also to o nya investigation o condemn president also the police is there for you no also you number.
Okay, so maybe say a question way. Yes. Say your video, ye ntimi nyina video so ewo ye court emfa eni asema na video nko ntimi ye hwe ya. Tiger IPI, wo madwuma wo ye de fa judges ne ho ne ba ne sen ene ye gina sa video no so videos wo de ba bontin ye de implicate some of the judges.
Mimi ya man kasi interview so. O di video kwa isa wo so ko. Na ko chechire mu. Tiger IPI no di video kwa no. Ya to sa flare no. And interrogating on a video. Yam bizarre, what is the original? You interrogating the Chief Justice manage some video. You should say video authentic.
Okay.
Video no formula. And we present judges lawyers also interrogating on the video. But with Amano case no, the woman is not going to court. The woman is not there. So opposition cannot deny it. Well, the woman now the center, the main star witness will say, I'm not coming to court. But my name is dying. My name is Sika. Who do you blame? Do you blame the police? And I'll blame the judge,
Inti amono de for now no morally no so na bi a post for mra bi omodigi adwuma because minim sem se post mra no e bi kura wo mi se wunim na wonu obi kwotwe mpena na se yobe yire na so omo chewo a asotwe wo ko e de ma bad Ghana me nyini se mra bi wo ko se wonu obi yire kokoda e bi a ye betwon wede wakwa gugina ba bi
eti wonu obi yire kokoda wa fu mama mre wo fu Ghana mra
very good eno ne ya mamre but enye Ghana mra
criminal offense
good the one na me pese ye establish it na me bisa se ya video na ba na police administration nso ntimi enye ntwetwemu bi ehu se video se girl na nko court na court eja amano morally nso na bi a police administration no wo de adwuma no ko no animu atwitwi form nti ye wo mo twetwemu na wo mo authenticate video ne se ampa e bi a se na e course so obi a se wabufuo mpo a enu nti na wo ye post ni
Media, police officers, yes, there's internal inquiry. So that's why we interdict. After the court case, the police will not go through the process. But where is the woman? Where is the woman to even appear before the inquiry?
Okay.
The woman is on. Now one go back.
It is the woman can cry. The NHS Frederick Amano on no cry. Wabuama men was a shepherd.
Only mama for best pastor like abeja subona di dai. O Ghana ha. Then okay. Only say because you survey wo Lagos. And be bisa Ghana for ma wo Lagos say 10,000 Ghana cedis. Any sex, free sex. Only ma do maka so me. And then 1,000 Ghana cedis. Na ma o bisa Ghana for say who per 1,000 Ghana cedis, no go prison for one month. Who by 1,000 Ghana cedis, now call one prison for 1 month. Only the better life. Only the better life.
Lawyer, yeah, that's it. Now no pay. You have a company here. Yakubu Shop, Papa.